If Roblox is stuttering for you and you're experiencing performance issues and a decrease in FPS, for example, you're going to want to try to delete your cached files. And how you do that is you want to hold your Windows key, you want to click on R, you'll see this run window pop up, right? And you just want to type in percent app local app data percent, just like that. Click on OK, and you'll see this show up, right? You want to locate Roblox, just like so. You want to open that, click on versions, and you just want to delete this. You want to delete these, and you want to rerun Roblox, and it should run better. It'll help clear out any unnecessary old clutter that builds up over time. Roblox needs these files to run your game. This is techno mumbo jumbo, and if you clear this out, it should help increase your performance. It'll decrease the amount of lag you experience, and that should help you run your game smoother. You also want to try to delete these logs. You don't need these anymore. These are, again, just old clutter. You don't need it. It's just filling up your computer. It's causing Roblox performance issues. And yeah, you just want to get rid of those two files. And that should help you with Roblox's lag. Another method that I have for you that could potentially solve cache problems, you want to hold down Windows key, click on R again, open up your run window. You want to click on, you just want to type in percent temp, percent again, a backward slash, and you just want to type in Roblox like that, just like this. You need this in your run window. You want to click on OK. You want to select all of these and you want to delete them all. Just like that. That should, again, clear out a bunch of cache and it should help you process your game better, increase performance in general, better FPS. This should fix your problem. Again, these are not files you need to worry about. You can delete them freely. There is no issue. These are just cached files that Roblox needs to run the game from previous playthroughs. If you're an avid Roblox player, these cache files can build up and can cause lag. Anyways, I hope this video has helped you guys. I hope I've been able to provide you with help. I hope this helped you out. You're experiencing less lag now, and I will see you guys at a different time.